Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Probiotic 3, 90 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Probiotic formula for healthy digestion, vegetarian, non-GMO, gluten-free. My Blueprint Ultra Dietary Supplement, GMP Manufacturing, quality assured, independent testing. Discussion. The enterobacteria contained in probiotic 3 act in symbiosis and supports a healthy intestinal flora. Lactic acid and butyric acid producing probiotics inhibit the growth of non-beneficial bacteria while promoting the growth of the beneficial bifidobacterium strain. Suggested use. Take 2 to 3 capsules daily without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Take at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. Refrigerate after opening. Other ingredients. Capsule, hypromellose and purified water, lactose, potato starch, polyvinyl alcohol, and polyvinylpyrrolidine. Contains milk, lactose. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, eggs, fish or shellfish. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Once opened, store in the refrigerator to maintain optimal potency. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or if you are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you have fever, vomiting, bloody diarrhea, severe abdominal pain, or if these symptoms occur. Discontinue use and consult a healthcare practitioner. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.